Welcome to Pleasure Wire News. I have some new exciting updates for you that I'm really excited to get into, so let's talk about that. But before I dive in, I want to give a shout out to everyone in the group so far. Thank you so much for all of what you've been contributing, all of the chats, everything you've been sharing. It's been amazing. We had our founding members meeting last week, and that way we really learned what it takes to help us all grow, to help us to earn cash together, and what the future and vision looks like for the Pleasure Wire. So if you haven't gotten a chance to tune into that, you can check that out in the live replay. Now, I have made some changes since then. At first, I had it set up for the first 500 women that can join for only $9 a month. But after really thinking about it, I want us to be able to start thriving and creating that shared abundance a lot quicker for those that are in the group. So I've changed it from the first 500 women to the first 50 women. So that is the new update that I've made recently. Besides that, I did a little quick poll last minute and I'm like, hey, I'm feeling the heat. The year is about to end. I only have just a couple of months to make everything count. What can we do? Is anyone else feeling like this? And you all voted and said, yes, I need some kind of challenge. So I really took that to heart and I said, okay, let's do it. Let's make the last 75 days of the year count, but without burning out. So there is a complete done for you life reset for 75 days that is in the classroom. You don't need to unlock any levels to access it. It is right there for you. And it includes a 75-day life tracker so that way you can stay accountable and track your progress and stay consistent. You also have your vision board template that's in there so you don't have to spend hours trying to create a vision board and it's super overwhelming. And I've also included an AI prompts guide that actually shows you how to take pictures that you find for your vision board, whether it's on Pinterest or wherever you find it, to just upload it into your AI platform and it will actually change it to look more like you. Because as we know, when it comes to vision boards, when you use an image that the brain feels most familiar with and it feels more like you, your brain is more likely to serve you and help you reach those goals. So it's really, really powerful. So whenever you're ready to get started, you can go ahead and access that right away. Of course, we are now less than 75 days of the year, but you can start anytime. The first 5 days are really there to help you create a nice foundation so you don't feel all rushed and scattered and you try to hurry up and make everything so that you can reach your goals. We want to do this the best way possible so that way you don't lose consistency, you don't get overwhelmed, and you don't get burned out. I know how that is. And I'm so excited for when we can start earning cash together. All we need is just 25 new members. Once we reach 25 new members, then we can all start earning abundance through your own personal affiliate link. So I'm really excited. Again, those details are available in the live replay. In your Symptoms Decoder course, I have updated 2 additional videos there. So if you're dealing with a lot of brain fog, or if you're dealing with belly fat or chin hair, go ahead and check that out and see if it applies to you because it can give you the root cause of what's actually going on. All right, well, that's everything I wanted to share with you today for Pleasure Wire News, and I'll see you next time.